What foods can you eat on the keto diet? On kissmyketo.com, we have a keto food list, aka your keto grocery list. Now, if only I had $1 for every time I got asked the question, what can I eat on the ketogenic diet? I'd probably be living on my own private island, but I would still be running Kiss My Keto. This extensive grocery list takes all of the guesswork out for you, and best of all, you can send the list straight to your inbox or your phone so you have it on you at all times. How convenient is that? Check it out in the link below. Can I eat fruit on the keto diet? You can eat avocados and coconut, which are in fact fruits. You can also eat low-carb fruits such as berries and wild fruits in moderation. On kissmyketo.com, we have a keto food list, aka your keto food grocery list, which takes the guesswork out of keto. All of these foods on our list are keto approved, and they are separated into the appropriate food groups based on fat, protein, and carbs. Check it out in the link below.